You forgot the pies? Well, I can't believe this. You forced me to make dinner, then you're an hour late, and you forget the one little thing that I asked you to do.
Really, girls, not cool.
Well, you manheads aren't any better. So the fact that I'm a doctor and my lifestyle of reference.
I was wondering, you both have such serious jobs. Would you have...
You still want that? A lovely color in you.
So? Well, Phoebe, that's fine because I'm not moving.
She really left.
You close your blinds at night. Rachel, this is yours. Sorry, boys. This rice. Let us do.
Oh, Chairman, I have the stupid college alumni.
Man, we gonna rock that Asian student union.
What we have is too important to mess it up over some girl.
No, the earth. Come on, stop. You put this on a sandwich. Salami, anchovies, Jay. You should warn people there's no elevator. Oh, I should not have had that.
What's your phone book? Oh my God, this man is gonna get naked in my apartment. I don't want to see him take his clothes off.
Are you talking about me?